Yes, 해주세요, Ohio, and hi from wherever place you are watching me from. So before we continue, today's trading nugget is stay humble. Success in trading requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay humble. Success in trading requires continuous learning and adaptation. I believe I am in adaptation level right now. Yeah, that's my belief. I'm adapting to this market accordingly, and I love it. So we get to look first for the fundamentals. We see that the BOG was having a day today, and the BOJ was on about the policy rate, giving out his monetary policy statement, and we can see this one pushed the market to, this is what is making the market continue pushing like this. By the way, this is take 2. Take 1, I realized that I was not recording the audio, so this is take 2. I'm going to make it short. So we are seeing from the daily, so on the fundamentals, we're looking on the euro. We are having at 1 p.m. some news coming in, but they are yellow folders. We are having card news, which is not likely to affect our marks, but we are likely to feel the ripple effect on the market. So on this we are having this one. We are having some of these news that are coming in. Yeah. Hope the background sound is not too much. Yeah, the CPI of the card news, we are having the ripple. We are going to have a ripple effect to another pairs, but we are not sure. So we see the sell-side liquidity is being taken out during this Asian session, and the price is trying to reverse from taking out the sell-side liquidity. Yeah. Switching over to the 4 hour, as explained on the previous videos, we are talking about this level coming to this major fair value gap, the swing low, this yellow line, and price pushing down. Yeah, we have been talking about for since when? Since Thursday, or is it when? Yeah, since Thursday, since the forming of this fair value gap. So on Friday when we are doing our analysis, we are expecting this price to come this level and continue pushing down. So yeah, we can see that on the 4 hour we are not having any break counter that is being established, but we can see that we are now starting to have a break of this demand where buyers were holding their position. On the break of this, they will shift from this demand and they are going to come into this demand level where they are going to place their buy limits. So we have a new player in town, this supply. So we are having this supply and this supply. Now a tug of war of 20 pips is likely to be played at these levels. FOMC tomorrow, who is going to break or who is going to hold? Yeah, on the 1 hour we get to see the establishment of a 3 counter from the break of this OB and this OB, and we can see that the price is reacting on that level effectively. Before I continue, get to remember this level that I was talking about. There's an invalid buy for our buy yesterday, no, previous time, and price never came to test this level. And yesterday when it came and tested the level, we can see the reaction, and price continue pushing up. Very, 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 very interesting. Switching over to the 1 hour, we are seeing that three control was established from this OB and this OB over here, and it is so beautiful what the market did. There's a 1 hour sell established yesterday during the New York close, and during the open of the Asian session, the market did the first thing was started by selling off, and if you had a position, you could have secured some 7 pips there, and came tested this valid for buy retests, giving out 9 pips. But we know at the back of our mind we have a 1 hour sell, and the market what it was doing was grabbing liquidity above here above, and yeah, you sell, securing your right about 10 pips to 13 pips there. So on the 30 minutes, seeing price has established sell side liquidity here, buy side liquidity over here, and we are having a break of this OB and this OB, this OB order block, this demand order block, this order demand order block, this break of these order blocks over there. And what we are seeing is, with the break of those order blocks, we are having invalid 30 minutes sales. So the likelihood of the price doing this and pushing that is very high. So that is my bias today. I'm looking for shorts with my stop loss above this level, take profit at this level. So I'll be risking 8 pips to get around 16 pips. Fair enough. I want to risk to reward ratio. Yeah, just have to wait for the market to come into this place and sell. Switching over to the 15 minutes, we're getting to see that reaction that I was talking about. Not unless we create a swing low, our lower low here, and the market takes out the low. Not unless we create a swing low at this position, market come to this position, takes out this level. That means we are going to have what? We are going to have an OB at this level over here. If we get an OB at this level, then we are not going to sell, since it will not make any sense to sell, since we are having a liquidity that has already been created at a liquidity level. So not unless that happens, I am still, the buyer is still shorting this price. Yeah, on the 5 minutes we get to see what the price is doing. Point what the price is doing is we are reacting off this OB over here, and with the reaction of this order block over here, it is beautiful. It is telling us price is trying to fight for its life. Interesting. So that's such an interesting thing, and we get to see that the sell of the position, it is still beautiful. We can have our stop loss at these levels. Remember, when you are talking about selling off this area, you're saying our stop loss should be above that level, But when you switch the 5 minutes, you get to reduce the risk. Isn't that not beautiful? Since if this price continues with this momentum, buying and gets to break this supply, what does it mean? It means that the bulls are indeed in the market. So we'll be risking 3 pips in order to secure 16 pips. That's the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 4 or 4 to 1. Don't know. That will be such an interesting. Yeah, we just need to wait for this price, market to price itself accordingly. Yeah. Also, the Frankfurt Open has not been established, so we don't know what the market is likely to do. Yeah. On to yesterday's trade. Oh, yeah, it was this one. Yeah, we came, tapped these levels, and we sell off. But I never took the trade. Why I never took the trade? It was New York session, and I only trade London session. When I was trading London session, remember what I was if you go back to the videos, I was saying if you have the break of this New York high over here, I'm going to look for a retest, continue pushing this price up. But when I placed my buys at these levels, right now it is showing that it is working. But I clearly remember yesterday the price was not it missed me with a pip. I remember, you cannot even dare say anything. So there was an invalid yesterday, there was an invalid buy of this level, and when I took my here, it never got triggered. It was, I don't know what was happening. For some reason, this FXCM on Monday it bugs out. FXCM, I don't know if you can see where my arrow is pointing. It is on Monday where it bugs out. I remember there was a time I woke up during the Asian session and the market was not doing anything on Monday. It usually happens. It bugs out. But yeah, these were the trade that I was supposed to take, but TradingView never showed me that. It was such an interesting thing. So for me, I never took the trade, and yeah. And then this trade occurred during the New York session, and I said, to hell, I'm not here. So today, we pray for the market to do its thing. We really pray for the markets to do its thing, man. We pray. I mean, that's a new term, man. We adapt to the market. That's the thing. We adapt to the market. So with that, that's my analysis. So we get to see how to see the buyers based upon the 5 minutes, taking out of the sell side liquidity. I'm looking for that. Taking out of the Asian buy side liquidity, I'm looking to short at that levels. But I am still bearish for today, but we are going to see how the market is going to react accordingly. So for now, if I'll be looking for buys, what I would like to see is this. If I'll be looking for buys for now, what I'll be waiting for is this. Hear me out. I need the visibility to be only visible on the 1 hour. Don't want to have a lot of things that is happening. For me, for the buys, what will I be looking for? So we see from this area we are establishing a 3-count rule. Okay, wait 1, wait 2, enter the flip, but no, we cannot enter the flip because of this OB over here. But at the break of this order block, on the retests, I'm willing to go long. And if we get to measure of that, it is good. And if we continue, we see that we may even be lucky enough to get around 10 pips, as the market will be taking out the sell side, the Asian buy side liquidity. That is what I'll be looking for. That will be interesting. But what do we need? We need the break off this supply at this level over here. Yeah, that is what I'll be waiting for if I will be looking to take buys. For the sell position, I am still looking for this one. Market to come to this level and I short. That is what I'll be looking for. Since it is based on 30 minutes, yes, that is what I'm looking for. With that, have a beautiful day, and remember, don't break your own rules. For goodness sake, it is your own rules. No alien came around and set those rules for you. As for me, I'll be keeping in mind 6 steps. These 1, 2, 3, and I'll be looking for a setup to occur. With that, have a beautiful day ahead and bless.